Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials and taking the first direct steps. First, disconnect and reseat the video cable. Loose pins or adapters cause many errors. Next, boot using safe mode or a low-resolution option so the graphics driver won't force an unsupported mode. Once in low-res, open display settings to check current output and connected monitors. Make sure you have a spare cable or adapter ready so you can swap quickly if the connection seems flaky. Now you tackle the complex middle steps that usually fix the issue. Open Device Manager and update the GPU driver. If the problem began after an update, roll back instead. Next, use Windows Display Settings or your GPU's control panel to set a safe resolution and refresh rate. Pick a common one like 1920x1080 at 60Hz. If needed, create a custom resolution within supported monitor specs. This prevents sending an out-of-range. Finish by verifying the fix and preparing fallback options. Reconnect cables and test other ports and another monitor to determine whether the display, cable, or GPU is at fault. Reset the monitor's on-screen settings to factory defaults and confirm its native resolution in the OSD. If the problem persists, switch to the integrated GPU or a different graphics card to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see out of range, lower the resolution and refresh rate further and test with a different cable immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.